start on the ground here. Singletary. Past the 20. That every play is designed to score a touchdown. Picked up by Tremaine Edmonds. In the NFL, we are inside GEHA Field. Tyler Bass about ready to get us going. And we are underway from Kansas City. They'll start on the ground here on first down. And some room to maneuver.
Seems like it goes right out the window.
Harrison Butker is on for the extra point. And his kick is no good. An NLT miss. Taken at the 15, a short kick. And he throwing to start the drive. Allen. Oh, he's going to air it out right away. And that is intercepted on the sideline. Wait, no. They'll say no. It was caught out of bounds. So this is just an incompletion here. So now 2nd and 10 after the incompletion on first down. On play action, Allen. That's caught by Gabriel Davis. And they're going to get this beyond the 40 before he's taken down. Devin Singletary with his first carry of the game. And able to break one tackle, but then quickly brought down. But a nice little gain. He'll get a nice chunk there on the first down run, and it's 2nd and 4. Singletary again. A 3-yard pickup on 2nd and 4. Now they'll need to convert here on 3rd and a little more than a yard. Allen now looks to throw. And this pass broken up. And the contact well timed there. And now 4th down. Singletary, they'll run for it. And he's taken down at the 43, but not before picking up the first. So this offense able to convert on 4th, and now a fresh set of downs here, 1st and 10. Singletary, they'll go up the middle. Oh, he's got a little daylight. Past the 20. And he is into the end zone for a Buffalo touchdown. Devin Singletary. Extra point by Bass, up and good. And they take the lead here at 7-6. After the touchdown, Bass to kick it away. And that'll carry over the back line of the end zone for a touchback. The Chiefs offense about set to begin this drive. Well, partner, coaches always say that every play is designed to score a touchdown. Sometimes that's not. He rifles one that's intercepted. Picked up by Tremaine Edmonds, the linebacker. And he is going to score. It's a pick 6 and a Bills touchdown. So a dangerous pass over the middle into zone coverage, and it bit him hard.
And what's really difficult when you throw it in that direction and versus that zone, that means the linebackers have gotten to their spot